Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewel, is going to do an OP Optimism update. It's been a couple days since we did one. Not a whole lot has changed, but let's go ahead and just dive into that update real fast. So, just looking at this on the higher time frame, was zoomed out, not really higher time frame, still the 4 hour. I believe that at this low down here, which is back in June, we have got an impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure, putting in a trend reversing impulsive 5 wave. And since then, we've been working on this nasty grueling A, B, and now working on our C wave, which is breaking down as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a final drop for our 5th wave. Possibly down to the 61.8% to 78.6% retracement levels, which is really anywhere from 58.5 cents to 78.5 cents or so. So that area is ultimately what I am targeting for a potential bottom. And if this structure does indeed hold, then we should be making our way up from there to about $10.88. So ultimately, if this structure holds, and we are able to find an impulsive structure off of the low, which would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 3 wave down, and then holding back above that on a smaller time frame, then that would indicate that we definitely do have a bottom end, and we are heading to this $10.88 target. So that's ultimately what I anticipate and what I expect as of right now, as long as this structure holds. So zooming in here, what I believe we've got is this 1, 2, and then this micro subwave of our 3 being this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which puts in our 3 wave, and then we are currently potentially working on our 4 wave, and then I assume that we will get a drop and a rejection at some point here, anywhere from now all the way up to this 38.2% to 50% retracement level, which is $1.40 to $1.62. We certainly don't have to get that high for a 4 wave, but that is just the typical resistance area for a 4 wave is 382 and 50% retracement level. In validation of that 5th wave down, so in validation of breaking back below this low in this impulsive manner would be a breach above and an overlap into our wave 1, which is $1.78.5. So if this price does somehow find its way back up to, breaking back above this here, then, we can start to look at other counts and other scenarios that may be at play. But ultimately, I do not think that's going to happen. We do not have to get to the 38.2 or the 50% retracement level. Those are just typical 4-wave targets. This thing could reject really at any time. But for me personally, if we do get up to this level here, that's where I would start entertaining the idea of entering a short. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you that is what I would be doing and what I would be looking for if this did somehow find the ability, to pump up to $1.40 to $1.62. So really, guys, until then, I anticipate that drop and that rejection at some point and finish out our 5th wave. And guys, just to show something real quick, I have been diligently working on my online course. I expect to launch it within the next 30 to 45 days. I will be privately launching that to anybody who signs up to the link below this this video, and I will be offering to those people very, very significant discounts on the price that I will be charging once I do launch it publicly. So again, I will be launching it privately first. If you have interest to learn how I trade, how I analyze markets, I've got a very robust and comprehensive online course that's coming your way. All right, see y'all later.